Hi, good morning, guys, and it's a very beautiful morning, and I'm wishing you very happy Diwali from Cruising with Goldy. Today, I'm going to show you a very beautiful company, which is MSc, and there is a MSc ship. You can see it. Ta-da! Maybe it's a tender port. I'll tell you what exactly is a tender port, but first I'll show you the ship. Okay? Now, guys, as you can see, this ship is belongs to MSc, and it says MSc Divina, something like that. So I'll just zoom it for you. Okay, now it absolutely going to dock over here, this one. So it's not a tender port. Now I was talking about the tender port. What exactly is a tender port? When there is no fixed land, they have to be on water. So you see the small boats over there, the lifeboats, they use that boat to go to a port on a land. So that is called a tender port. So this is not a tender port, this is a normal port. Now you can see this ship is slowly steadily taking a reverse, so it will be standing, it will be docking over here. Ooh, it's very hot. So well, you can see now slowly steadily that ship is taking a reverse and it will be docking over here. So guys, it's very hot outside though. So this is MSc for you. Now well guys, you can see MSc ship is docking slowly but steadily. So this is how the cruise ship mostly dock, and you can even see there is a small boat coming. Now this is a petrol boat, whichever country we are right now in. This is a navy petrol boat, you can say. It has gun on it, and these you can see that army mark also on this. I hope you like this video. I keep bringing videos like this, so do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my another vlog. So bye from Cruising with Goldy.